Morning, Bridge. In a rush, got to get the kids to school. Quick tip, 1.79 from Aldi. Lots of different flavours. I think that's a Morrison's one, I think. That's an Aldi one. We haven't tried that yet. We'll probably get Kit Kat. By the way, if you like this video, please subscribe. So, that, you can do about 7 out of these. So 1.79 will do 7 drinks. 59p for 6 bananas, Aldi. Buy the 4 pinters of milk. They're much cheaper than the 2 pinters of milk. We get through a lot of milk, so I'd say we get through one of those a day with the kids. £2.19, I think. Chuck it in. This is really noisy, really sorry, but it's about 10 years old. Can't afford a new one. Sing. Interactive. I mean, get me firing on all cylinders at this time in the morning. Now I'll put these back in the freezer. It does too. It's really annoying. I mean, you could probably hear this from your own house without me having to do it on video. It is so loud. But as I said, it's about 10 years old. You can't afford a new one, but I use it every single day. I mean, it looks hideous on the side of the kitchen. I'm never going to have one of those House and Gardens kitchens with a flipping great blender, but it does the job. Now, because I'm filming this, I've probably made it too thick, but let's see. Oh no, not bad. That is a strawberry and banana smoothie made in, well, you can time how long it took to make. Both children. You can either put this in a drink so that you can drink it in the car or on the walk on the way to school. And that is less than your 60p.